Welcome to the IT Jobs series. In this video, we're exploring the role of a cybersecurity consultant. This is a specialized position focused on helping organizations protect their systems, data, and networks from cyber threats. Cybersecurity consultants work as advisors, assessing security risks and recommending improvements to strengthen an organization's overall security posture. A cybersecurity consultant has two main areas of responsibility. First, they conduct security assessments, analyze vulnerabilities, evaluate risks, and provide policy recommendations to clients. Second, they engage in key activities including client consulting, performing compliance audits, conducting threat assessments, and developing strategic security plans. This role bridges the gap between technical security knowledge and business strategy. Cybersecurity consultants offer three primary services. Security audits involve comprehensive reviews of an organization's systems and compliance with security standards. Risk assessment focuses on identifying vulnerabilities and measuring the organization's exposure to potential threats. Compliance guidance helps organizations navigate various security standards and regulatory requirements specific to their industry. These services form the foundation of what consultants deliver to their clients. There are two main types of assessments that consultants perform. Technical assessments include penetration testing, which simulates cyber attacks to find weaknesses, network analysis to review infrastructure, system vulnerability scans to identify security flaws, and infrastructure review to evaluate the overall setup. Organizational assessments cover policy audits to ensure security policies are current, compliance verification to confirm adherence to regulations, security culture evaluation to assess employee awareness, and process maturity review to measure how well security is integrated into operations. Consultants work with established security frameworks to guide their recommendations. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework from the National Institute of Standards and Technology provides a structured approach with 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. ISO/IEC 27001 is an international standard that specifies requirements for information security management systems. CIS Controls, developed by the Center for Internet Security, provides a prioritized list of security best practices. These frameworks help ensure recommendations are aligned with industry standards. To succeed as a cybersecurity consultant, you need both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include deep knowledge of network security, system administration, threat modeling to predict potential attacks, expertise with various security tools, and understanding cryptography basics. Soft skills are equally important. Strong client communication to explain complex concepts clearly, report writing to document findings professionally, problem-solving abilities to develop effective solutions, project management to handle multiple engagements, and business acumen to understand organizational needs and priorities. Several recognized certifications establish credibility as a cybersecurity consultant. CISSP, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, demonstrates comprehensive security knowledge across multiple domains. CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker, focuses on penetration testing and vulnerability assessment skills. CISM, the Certified Information Security Manager, specializes in security management and governance. CCSK, the Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge, covers cloud security fundamentals. While not always required, these credentials significantly enhance career prospects and client trust. A typical consulting engagement follows 4 phases. First, discovery and planning involves understanding the client's environment, identifying the scope of work, and establishing clear objectives. Second, assessment execution means conducting comprehensive security audits and testing to gather data. Third, analysis and reporting involves detailed documentation of findings with specific recommendations for improvement. Fourth, remediation support guides the client through implementing solutions and verifies that security improvements have been effective. This workflow ensures a structured, professional approach to every engagement. Cybersecurity consultants work across many industries. Finance and banking have high security requirements due to regulatory demands and sensitive financial data. Healthcare requires HIPAA compliance and protection of patient information. E-commerce and retail need secure payment systems and customer data safeguards. Government and defense sectors handle critical infrastructure and national security concerns. Cloud and technology companies require robust data protection and infrastructure security. Utilities and energy sectors must secure operational technology and power grid systems. Each industry has unique security challenges and requirements. A career as a cybersecurity consultant offers excellent growth potential and compensation. Career advancement includes moving into senior consultant roles with greater responsibility, becoming a security architect, designing comprehensive security solutions, taking on management positions overseeing teams, or establishing an independent consulting practice. Compensation is highly competitive with consulting premiums for expertise, organizations funding ongoing certifications for professional development, and consistently high market demand for qualified consultants. This role combines technical expertise with business value, making it both financially rewarding and intellectually challenging.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.